What's going on? Today's video, well, tonight's video, well, I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but anyways, the video I got for you guys is gonna be about my 2000 Mustang Ford GT. I never told you guys about it, but yeah, I bought another Mustang as my project car, and it turns out I'm gonna be getting rid of Project Red. Reason why I'm getting rid of Project Red is I kind of lost interest in the car, and well, there's really not too much I can film on it. You know, I mean, I could go like, oh, let's throw a turbo in there and, get some snail action going. But thing is about Project Red right now, I need to fix like the rear end bearings, stuff like that. Like I said in one of my other videos, I also said, I just had my son in. Well, I ain't had my son, but my girl had my son. Anyways, two project cars, a son, family stuff. I can't do both. I mean, I can do both. I can keep Project Red, but I don't know. Like I said, I lost interest in the car. Maybe because the car is red, and I'm sorry if any of you guys love red, but I'm a blue fan. So, anyways. This video is gonna be about me changing my control arm bushings on the rear, the upper control arm bushings. They had like two noises to the car. One was the U joints, and one were the control arms. Well, the control arm bushings were so bad to where, like you're gonna see in the video, they were so bad to where it was knocking so hard I couldn't even hear that the U joints were bad. But I heard the U joints were bad, but at the same time, it would almost sound like, oh, it's the U joints. No, I mean, it's the control arms. So, anyways, like I said, I bought the wrong, what happened is I bought the wrong bushings, but I fabricated and it's gonna work. Comment below, ask where I got the bushings, or give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, whatever, or... well, not or you can like change the whole control arm instead of just changing the bushings, which I would 110%.
Gotcha, bitch.
I would change just the control arm bushings if I can get the right part. If you can get the right part, you should just change the control arm bushings. But because I mean, like, it's less costly, you know what I'm saying? And nobody has money just to be spitting out, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, but if I had to redo it again, I'd probably change just the control arms, because then for sure the control arms already have the bushing, so you ain't gotta worry about none of that. But it's really not hard at all. The tools you're gonna need control arm bushings. You're gonna need your control arm. Make sure it's not broken or any types of egg shape, anything like that. A jack. Probably, honestly, like what, a wrench and a ratchet, 18 or 19. I had like 18 and 19. I don't remember which one. Anyways, guys, but yeah, like I said, I bought another project car, and right now I'm painting on it, and we're gonna start from pretty much basic, level zero. Let me know if you guys put in the comments below, what do you want me to do, or what do you want to see with this new project that I have. Well, I'm gonna let you guys know off the back, I'm doing the engine swap on this one, and it's gonna be better than the 5.4 2V, so stay tuned. But anyways, guys, newcomers, name's Dustin Allison. Like, subscribe, and if you don't like the video, yeah, problem, bro. Anyway, let's roll it. So yeah, guys, today what I'm going to be doing, I haven't told you guys this, and I don't know if I mentioned this in another video, I'm gonna try to make this short, sweet, and fast. I'm gonna be changing the bushings to my upper control arm in the rear. I wish I could have like videoed the noise it was making, but it was making like such a loud popping noise. Like, oh, that's my car by the way. Look how sexy she is, and man, I might get killed. I'm gonna step back a few feet. But anyways, guys, like I said, it was making a loud popping noise, and I couldn't figure out what it was. I thought it was the U-joints. The U-joints aren't really that bad. So I finally figured out what it was, and like I said, it was my upper control arm bushings in the rear. Check this out. They say the proper way to do it is to, you know, hold something up underneath here. Well, I don't have that at the moment, but those right here are the bushings that are bad. You might be able to see this one. Try to focus it. You can kind of see like the separation of the back part, like right here. Like it almost looks like a whole C-clip. Let me see if I can get underneath. Hold on real quick, guys. All right, we got some light going. So, anyways, you can kind of see the back part right here. Focus. I don't think I can get any closer, guys. But yeah, you hear a loud popping noise coming from like both sides of the rear end. If it ain't the diff, it's your diff control arms. So what I was going to do, I was just gonna go ahead and change the whole control arms, but I figured to myself, use what you call that, bushings, you know what I'm saying? You could just replace the bushings instead of buying the whole control arm. And this was another one of them right here. Yeah, it's pretty much bad off, bruh. I don't know where the rest of it went, but honestly, there wasn't too much left of it. I don't know if these were like cheap parts or maybe, you know, just over time, but I can show you guys the rest of it right here. So this is the left side of the upper control arm. As you can see, I got the whole thing out. And this is how it came out, bro.
Oh, wow.
You know, in pieces and whatnot. It's crazy. But I got these right here from AutoZone. That's the part number right here. I am not too sure if this is what it is, you know, if this is the right part, but hopefully it is. I'm gonna hurry up and open up the pack. Check the bushings out. They have instructions, I believe. Rear control arm bushings, rear control arm bushings. So Ford Mustang live axle. 2 times major bushings, steel tubes, grease. Okay, do not remove outer shell. Insert bushing from outside. Raise field tool evenly and support 6. Yep, you got her up there. But yeah, guys, this is the project car and whatnot. And like I said, I'm just hoping these bushings fit right in there. And they actually do. But the problem is, that is very loose. I don't know if that's gonna work. But now when I'm thinking of it, this piece right here might widen it. Ah man, that's probably not gonna work. Well, this video might be for nothing. Man, this is crazy. I might end up, oh never mind, they have spacers already for it. I'm guessing to widen it up. Dig in the bag, trying to get it. So these are the spacers and they're like quite thicker than the other one. So like I said, hopefully, you know, I figured that slid in too easy. Take this out, push this in. I'll try to slide this one in. And it still kind of looks good. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work. But you know what? Sorry guys, but this is what I'm gonna have to use for now. I wish I had something else to use. But yeah, this is all I have to use for now. Look, even get a nice little sticker in the bag. Ooh, this is awfully loose. But I could probably replace this later, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. We're gonna go ahead and stick this right in there, because I mean, I'm kind of running out of time. So, place this up here. And I might have to wedge it in a little bit. went in a little bit too easy too. Well, no, it kind of didn't. As long as it's gonna stop the clunking noise, I'll be happy. Not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna set it up on this side first with the screw, and then I'll work from this end. Alright, so everyone, man, I got one side on. Finally got a jack, and that side came out. The bushing, like I said, it was the wrong bushing from the get-go. So, of course, we came up with a plan. That's what we did. It's a lot snugger now, man. We put tape around it, you know what I'm saying? Around the bushing itself, and that's where the grease goes. And as for that, you can see I cut that in half. So, I mean, they're the wrong bushings, but you can actually use them. So, yeah, like I said, one side we got it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this side up right here. Then, how would you say that? After I put this side up, I'm gonna show you how I got, you know, the rear end and all the other stuff on there. You just grab the tools, back at it. Finally got this side back up. You can see it's like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack up underneath the rear end. You can do like between the U-joints. So I say the drive shaft and the rear end. Jack it up. You're gonna keep jacking up until you get in your position. And there it is. Grab the bolt. And slide it right in. And if it doesn't go all the way in, you grab like a rubber mallet. Rubber hammer, whatever you want to call it, tapping on it, eventually it'll go in. If it doesn't go in, check the back side just to see where you're at. You may need to go up a little bit more, may not. See, went up a little bit. That might be it. You'll see depending on what the boat looks like. See, I moved a little bit, so I should be able to tap it in right here. And like I said, you just have to play with it. Right through. Got this washer. Oh, I'm gonna washer. Nope. And I'm gonna let this down. I'm not too sure how this actually operates, to be honest. Might have to have weight on it to come down. So I'm gonna stick this on there. Should be some 18s, but these look like aftermarket boats, so I'm not too sure what yours will look like. And I'm probably gonna use my impact. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this real quick, then I'll be right back. I finally finished putting the bushing and control arms back together. Let's go ahead and take a sneak peek, see how it's looking. I need to change the bushings on here. You can see they're cracking. Anytime they're cracking, you need to, automatically replace it. Okay. Before they get worse and, start looking like mine. But these are how they look. This one came out a lot better than this one. But the next time I go to change this, this damn control arm or the bushing, I'm just gonna go ahead and, how would you say it? I'm just gonna go ahead and change the whole control arm. This is my new project car, and I'm actually getting rid of Project Red. So, goodbye to the 5.4 Mustang. If you guys are interested on figuring out like why I'm selling Project Red, then hit me up in the comments. I'll probably do a separate video about that. And I'm pretty much selling it for real cheap. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with you guys later. This right here is my 2000 Ford Mustang GT. Yeah, I know you guys know Derek Barron Productions, but this is about to be more epic than Redo Blue. I lied. I'm not talking, talking smack, but I'm just saying, it's probably gonna be a lot more work than it's supposed to. Should I say a lot more work than Derek probably did. But I really don't have the funds for it. But at the same time, I can gather up the money. Hopefully one day I hit it 1,000 subscribers, or whatever. And like I said, to you new guys, just subscribe to the video if you like it. And I got more videos coming. It's mostly about new edges. I do reviews too. And my name is Dustin Allison, by the way. DVA Creations, call me that too. Control arm, rear, upper control arm, bushing change. Yeah, it's better just to change them than change the whole control arm. But I'm still getting a little bit of the knocking noise. But I mean, it's not as bad. Maybe I can, show you guys. It's not as bad because whenever I hit humps, it was like terrible. Oh yeah, this one also came with a black leather interior. I never seen a Mustang with black leather interior, and whenever I seen it, I was like, oh yeah, gotta buy this car, man. Let me give you a startup real quick. Show you guys what the project car sounding like. Where we at? Keys, baby, keys. It's got a little bit of sound system to it. Yeah, like I said, this is just a project car. I plan to put a 4.64 valve in here. Wow. Here, something like Turdzilla, but this is gonna be a not a drag racing car, but I'm still gonna be racing. I'm just gonna be mainly doing what would you call it? Like just racing on the strips, while I'm in Mexico, seeing who wants some of these burnouts, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, besides the point, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the noise sounds like. Maybe you guys can help me. It's kind of starting to sound like U-joints, but then again, I still don't know right now. Y'all heard that? As soon as I let off the clutch, or whenever I go in reverse. But you know what? I'm starting to think now that maybe it is the oh yeah, she pulls off a whole lot better now. But I'm starting to figure, maybe it is the U-joint. So guys, what I'm gonna do next, I'm probably gonna have another video of me changing the U-joints. And when I'm starting to think about it now, it may be the U-joints. And it's also starting to sound like the transmission mount is bad too. So we're gonna change that and the U-joints, and I'm thinking that's gonna solve my problem. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, make sure you share, and if you like the video, like I said, you newcomers, you need to subscribe. Y'all be watching the videos, but y'all don't be subscribing. Why you don't like me, man? I ain't gonna start with that again. But the name is Dustin Allison, and to you new subscribers or you new people who's watching, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Deuces.